And first we're gonna jack up the vehicle and put a jack stands on the side. Okay, this is 19mm lug nut. If you don't have an impact gun like this one, you can do this. You can do this while the car is on the floor. You have to loose the nut. And it seemed like it got stuck. Okay, just that's it. One and two. I'm gonna see if they got stuck or they are very easy. Let's see. Driver's tire. So this got stuck. I already tried them. And no way. So in my experience, this is a chisel here, round tip chisel, hammer, and basically I'm gonna be hitting it like this. Let's see. There it goes. I'm gonna put it over here right now. Go with the other one. So now let's see if the camera can get that a little bit more. Let's see. I want to see so the camera can see what I'm doing. Right there, maybe. Let's see. Sometimes you kind of ruin this where the screw goes. So what you do in the case is keep putting this and go like this. All right, so you can give it a shape again. I'm gonna see. Oh. There it goes. These things are a pain in the neck sometimes to get them out. In my experience, this is the way they come out. Okay, this is a 17mm, this one here, and half drive 17mm socket. Not too much space because of the brake line, so I'm just gonna hit it with a hammer. See if I got it loose. I'm gonna take it out. It's coming out with my hands. I'm gonna do the one on the bottom too. I mean, you don't have to hit this like that. You can use a wrench. Or maybe yours are kind of easier to take it out. And then this one is 14. This one is R14 because I have to replace the brake pad too. So this is the process to do it. Let's see if I can remove this one. There's another ratchet here. Let's see, this is 3/8 ratchet. That one you only lose it. And this one has to come out completely, but right now I'm just gonna lose them. Very easy. This one has to come out completely. This one only loose. I'm holding it here so it doesn't put pressure on me. The caliper does not put pressure on me, so I can remove it with my hand. I'm gonna put it on the floor for now. And I'm gonna hang it over here in some spot with a bungee while that's still. Okay, I'm I'm gonna hang it with a bungee here for now. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it right there. This is the new one here, and the new one has to be sprayed first to clean the oil. The oil become oily on both sides. Clean it on both sides, and once you clean it, do not touch the surface with your oily fingers. As you can see, this case it goes like this. Right. And when I'm doing this, I do this all the time, so this could be kind of in place. Okay, and right now I'm gonna be removing this one, the 14mm. Put the bolts here. This one, I'm gonna spray them and put oil also. And I'm gonna put an anise grease on here. Okay, these are the two 17mm bolts that hold the entire brake caliper. I already cleaned them with a brush, metal brush here. And right now I'm gonna throw a little bit of a brake cleaner. And right now, put a little bit of anise grease. And that's the way they're gonna go back inside. Make sure it goes by hand easily. I put it all the way down with my hand. The same with the one at the bottom. Alright, and then you tie it. And then the next is this. Okay, these are the new brake pads. Right now I'm gonna be removing these because I already removed that. Just did this. This goes like this. Gotta take it out. Just if you have a doubt or gonna get confused, just put it on one side and put it in this position. That's the same way that it's going to go. If it doesn't come out, you might use a pry here with a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, if you need to. Right there. And right now we're gonna compress this back inside here. Okay, I'm gonna be compressing this right now, and I'm gonna use the old brake pad here. I'm gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna see if I can hold this. Okay, I hope it doesn't come out right now. I think it's all the way compressed already. Okay. If it's dirty inside, just let's give it a little bit of clean. Alright, right now, make sure these things are good. They compress inside like that, and they go back inside. If not, they have to be replaced. This bolt here. And this bolt is clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back, and I'm gonna be tightening this. You don't need to tie this to the string. Alright, this is good right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and and just whatever is left is just put in the tire and that's it.